VidSnatcher is a cutting-edge video editor that every video marketer will want to get their hands on. It is equipped with all the editing tools the most expensive video editors have, plus even more powerful features like the built-in text-to-speech and language translator, all at an extremely affordable price. Screen capture. Record your screen and import directly into VidSnatcher. Import media, import video, audio, and images from your computer or directly from an online source. Drag and drop. Timeline editor. Drag and drop media, add unlimited layers for easy editing, easy green screen removal, remove green screen from any video with just a few clicks. Transition effects, create stunning videos with seamless transitions. Icon and shapes library. Choose from pre-made icons and shapes to use in your videos. Text editor, input any text font and size, in any language. Text-to-speech engine. Instantly turn your text into a lifelike male or female voice. Language translator, translate any text-to-speech language into a different language with accents. Voice recorder. Record and import any audio directly into VidSnatcher. Add subtitles, upload SRT files to add subtitles to any video. Powerful editing. Complete editing capabilities such as undo, redo, cut, copy, paste and more. VidSnatcher is the best e-learning video creation, recording and editing software for training videos, video lessons, demo videos, how-to videos, meeting recording, YouTube videos, instructional videos, presentation recordings, and many more. If you want to become an authority in your niche, you need VidSnatcher. Period. Wait, there's more. Customize videos from any video app with VidSnatcher. It's no longer a secret that video is the most powerful form of media. Whether it's for marketing, informational, or educational purposes, video is the best way to deliver a message. That's why there are so many different types of video creators on the market. The chances are you own one, or many of these creation tools. The problem is with most video creators you're stuck within the confines of what that specific app can do. Whiteboard, Kinetic, 3D Avatar, the list goes on. You can create great videos with these apps, but are they really that unique when you're stuck only with what the app allows you to do? With VidSnatcher, you completely open your video editing capabilities. Import, edit and enhance any video, or build completely unique videos from scratch with our new true blank canvas video editor. The value you're getting is unmatched. Similar video editing software can go for $100 for each version of the software. Not with VidSnatcher. For a very limited time you'll pay a low one-time fee with ongoing updates included. There will be no new versions you have to purchase, no updating, no more money spent to have the latest version of VidSnatcher. The opportunity VidSnatcher presents in the e-learning space, as well as the overall video editing space, is enormous. Just creating one training video that makes one sale could recoup your entire investment today. Performing one video editing service for a single client could recoup your entire investment instantly. We want to make sure you're maximizing your purchase today. So you're also going to get these extremely valuable bonus add-ons for a limited time. Bonus number 1. Business Finder app, $297. Finding businesses and the right point of contact is the hardest challenge when it comes to landing high-paying clients. Our team has worked out a solution to this critical problem. We've created an entirely new app that can find businesses along with their phone number, email, and website in a single click. You can also keep track of all the businesses that you've contacted and see how you are doing selling to these businesses. This powerful tool can find businesses in any niche and in any country or city you can imagine. You'll get full access to all the features of this app as part of your VidSnatcher commercial purchase. Not only are you going to create amazing videos and deliver them easily, but you can now also find businesses and contact them to sell them these videos. You won't need any additional tools to start or expand your video business with this bonus. Bonus number 2. 50 ebooks from various niches to become an expert in your niche. These read and follow sets of ebooks can serve as a fantastic guide to creating new video courses that you can then resell. Become an authority in these niches with video. You also get full resell license with these, so you can even sell or offer these ebooks to your customers as a bonus. Bonus number 3. Floating video player for your website works with YouTube and Vimeo. SaaS app $247. Ever seen Facebook's picture-in-picture videos? The moment you scroll down, the videos on Facebook will jump out and follow you. That's the idea we wanted to apply to our web pages, too. And that's how our team created this app from scratch that will give your videos the power of jumping out and following the viewers as they scroll through your pages. This app works with YouTube as well as Vimeo videos. Bonus number 4. Royalty-free music library. Music helps to set the right mood and tone of your video. A great background music can have a huge impact and breathe life into your video creation. This high-quality music library gives you access to a robust collection of musical backgrounds from different genres which you can easily import into your video timeline to enhance your overall video production. Music is an absolute must for an outstanding video production, and with this collection, you have the right sounds for the moment. Over $1,000 in valuable products for free. And of course, everything you see today is backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. For a very limited time, VidSnatcher commercial is yours from the link in description.